Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the fuel pressure regulator. What is it for here? Hence, it needs to maintain the fuel pressure in the fuel rail. When the engine is idle, pressure is maintained by a regulator in the fuel rail to easily start the engine. And when the regulator does not hold pressure, then the engine will not start well. Since it takes time to build up pressure in the fuel rail by the fuel pump. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.